Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is May the 1st, 2018, and I wanted to show you our edible sweet potato tubers. They have sprouted up, so I will actually be taking this one off then. It should have put its roots out, so I'm going to go the whole way down to where the potato is, and I'm going to snap it off, and then I'm going to replant it. And I'm also going to be taking these outside then to get them hardened off, which I did a video on. I'll put a link down below for that before they get planted in their final location and container. So I just wanted to give you an update on this. They are coming up. Now another thing you can do is you can do stem cuttings from these, which you take like right below here, cut it on like a 45-degree angle, take this leaf off, and you can put it in like your Jiffy organic seed starting mix or another type of mix, or you can use the Jiffy peat pellets, and you can get them to root in there, and then you'll have more plants. So that's another way that you can multiply the plants that you have. But I just wanted to give you a quick update on these. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.